Hey there YouTube, this is Chief Survival coming back at you again with another video. Today I got my EDC update, a little delayed. My other video got deleted somehow. But this is the EDC update for January 2016. Got my paracord bracelet, paracord lanyard, got it modified with paracord anyway. Lighter. Still works pretty good. Pill container. Some Tylenol, ibuprofen, heartburn pills, wallet, knife, bandana, change container, and this is all my stuff. Sorry about that one. Somebody coming to the door. And I got my pouch. I'll open that up. Okay. I'm back. Video didn't want to pause, but pretty much stayed the same. New light in here. Multi-tools. Knife. I don't really carry this one, but it's the only other knife I brought with me from California or from North Dakota. Watch. Pens, comb. Of course, all my stuff up here. That is what I carry on a daily basis. Yeah, I think that's it. I tend to keep everything in here, so it's all in the shit. A little windy today. Actually got some not bad weather. A little update on my situation. I know I said that I don't know if anybody watched my video that I mentioned that I was moving to California, but I said it was only supposed to be a month, maybe two. But me and my roommate, we both ran into financial trouble, so we have to give up our place there in North Dakota. He's on a train back here to California as we speak, and I'll be living here for quite a while, so been pimping out the garage. My little sister's bike. Got some tarp up, cover this exposed siding. Just looks better to me. And I think that's about it, update wise. Yeah, it's been my EDC. That is my gear. I do want to start adding more with the new year now here. But sorry this video took so long. I said it was going to be done on the 1st, but like I said, did it already, but the video got deleted. Yeah, this has been Cheap Survival. Like, comment, share, over and out.